truly, it did not disappoint. Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be reviewing the Sun and Park Beauty Water. I use this as my toner. So I will be showing you the application, giving you some information about this, and at the end, I will be telling you my thoughts about it, my review. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. You may apply the Sun and Park water using a cotton pad and gently sweep across the face, or directly apply it, which is what I usually do. As a toner, apply this after cleansing. You may also freshen up your face during the day with this. Directly apply using your hands or transfer in a container with spray and spritz away. For my review, let me start with facts and then claims and then my thoughts about this product, my review. So for the facts, I got this when we went to South Korea. I did a separate vlog on my skincare haul, so I'll just place the card right here if you haven't checked that out. So I am actually slowly doing the reviews of the products that I am using and the products that I got there. So, but I checked, you can get this through Beauty MNL. It comes in different sizes and of course different prices. I'll just place it right here. Yes. All right. So if you are from the Philippines, from Cebu, and you know where else we can get this, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll gladly share it to everybody who is interested. So for the claims, let me just read the information right here. So I love that it has the information written at the actual product. You know what I mean? So let me read it. It is the smart cleansing liquid based on a natural plant therapy that exfoliates and moisturizes skin at once. Beauty water can be used daily, morning and evening. It is recommended as the first step for the perfect makeup. It cleans any old dead skin cells to make skin feel sleek and soft. It contains an array of skin-loving ingredients to boost skin's moisture immediately. Beauty water is also an ideal way to refresh skin anytime you want. Midday or when washing with a cleanser isn't an option. You will instantly feel how young and healthy your skin is after this beauty water. It came with this. It has a box, and again, I love that the description, the claims information of the product is written at the box. So let me just read to you the description right here. Natural origin. Natural ingredients leave skin refreshed and revitalized even for sensitive skin. Cleansing. Contains natural ingredients for cleansing. Moisturizing. Formulated with lavender flower or leaf or stem extract, Rosa Damascena flower water, and orange fruit extract to deliver intense hydration. Lightly exfoliating. Pro-Tea's Carica papaya fruit water renew the skin surface by lifting impurities, dead skin cells for smoother skin. So from that, you know that this is a multi-purpose skincare product. It cleanses, it moisturizes, and it lightly exfoliates. So now, let me tell you, this is my favorite toner yet. Before I got this in South Korea, I did a little bit of research on what products to get, and I heard a lot of great reviews about this, and truly, it did not disappoint. I super duper love this product. So, Fever Love, obviously I love it. Points to love, number 1, my skin did not react negatively to it. In fact, my skin feels really hydrated in every use. Obviously, hapit na siya mahurot. So that's how much I really love this. I am continuously using it. Second, it has exfoliating ingredients as mentioned a while ago, and we all know how important exfoliating is. So technically, I am exfoliating every day because of this. But I love it because it just lightly exfoliates, not too harsh on your skin, which is one thing you should remember. You shouldn't be harsh on your skin, all right? So it removes the dead skin cells clogging surface of the skin, helping the rest of the skincare products that I use to penetrate into my skin, making it more effective. So it's like it sets my skin also. So it cleanses, moisturizes, exfoliates, setting my skin for the other ingredients or the other products that I will be placing on my skin. Also helping you prevent oil buildup, right? Because it lightly exfoliates, leading, and we all know that oil buildup leads to blackheads, whiteheads, acne, and etc. So third point is, although it has exfoliating ingredients, I didn't feel any sting from using this. You know what I mean? Like when we say exfoliating, what comes into our minds is that it would be like rough on our skin, but I love it because, yeah, I didn't feel any sting every time I used this product. So truly, I believe it mildly exfoliates the skin. Number 4, it has a subtle scent. It's not, you know what I mean, it's not overwhelming. It has a hint of like lemon, just a hint, you know? So I love its subtle scent, very refreshing. Number 5, I use it as a toner, but I love that it has multiple functions. It can be used as a toner, cleanser, mist to refresh your skin all throughout the day. Number 6, it is readily available online, as what I've mentioned. It is available through Beauty M&L. Anyways, number 7, I love its simple and uncomplicated packaging. By the way, it is plastic. It is not glass. By the way, I have combination to oily skin, which is a factor. Alright, so the thing about skincare is that skincare is science. Skincare is personal, and you know, what works for me may not work for you. Please keep that in mind. So, this goes to my favorites list. I love this. If you're looking for a toner, and if you want to splurge on it, I definitely recommend this product. Also, I think you really get your money's worth because although it is kind of pricey, it has multiple functions. It is multi-purpose. So, yay. So guys, that is it. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. See you on the next one. Bye!